In today's video, we're going to walk through how to set up digital products in a simple checkout using Squarespace so you can start selling downloads online. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been thinking about selling things like ebooks or templates, guides, maybe even music files or other downloadable products, this tutorial is going to show you how to get everything set up step by step. A lot of creators want to sell digital products because there's no inventory to manage and no shipping involved, but the setup can feel a bit confusing if you've never done it before. So in this video, we'll talk about how digital products work inside Squarespace, how to upload files and create product pages, and how the checkout process works for your customers so you can start accepting payments and delivering downloads automatically. Let's get into it. So if you're not familiar with Squarespace, it's an all-in-one website builder that allows you to create a website, host your content, and sell products without needing multiple tools or complicated integrations. Instead of installing separate plugins or e-commerce software, Squarespace includes everything inside one dashboard, including design templates, hosting, online store tools, and payment processing options. This just makes it especially appealing for creators, educators, and small business owners who want to sell digital products directly from their website. Digital products are items that customers download after a purchase, such as PDFs, design templates, music files, photography presets, or online resources. And Squarespace allows you to upload these files, set pricing, and automatically deliver them to customers once the purchase is complete. If you don't have a Squarespace account, you can go ahead and get signed up using our link down below, and you can actually start a free website. Once you click get started, you'll enter an email and password. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create a new website. We're just going to do health. We'll make a health PDF or something. So now you can select what you're going to use it. Maybe you want to sell products, services, memberships, whatever. Go ahead. I always recommend when choosing a template, make sure you like the layout of it, not just the colors and the fonts, because it's really easy to change the colors and the fonts, but it's a little bit harder to change how the actual website functions. It's not impossible, but it's just harder. Okay, we'll go ahead and start with this design. Okay, what we're going to do first is go ahead into products and services over here. So now we can decide what we want to sell. If it's a physical product, a service, group events, a download, which of course we're going to go ahead and click. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and enter the product name. Maybe it's a 6-week reset, health and fitness tracker. Okay, we'll enter in a description. This tracker is here to help you with your fitness goals and learn to listen to your body and eat intuitively. Okay, so obviously you want to really put some time and energy and thought into it. Perfect. Now the button text add to cart, you can go ahead and adjust that if you would like. So since we will need their email, we will have to go ahead and create a form. So form name, this is 6-week reset. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and add name, and now we will just need email required, name required. Okay, go ahead and apply. Amazing. Now I would recommend adding images here if you have any. I'm just gonna add, here we go. Go ahead and add that image. You'll also want to upload the file. I'm just gonna use the same one. You obviously would want to add whatever it is. Now we'll make the price, maybe this is, $39.99. Okay, and if you wanted to make it on sale, you could. Then we've got organization here, so you can create categories, add keywords. There's also some selling tools, so featured products can be displayed in summary blocks on your page. You can even add related products as well. We're going to keep it simple for now and go ahead and save and publish. Amazing. So now that we've got the product in here, we've got to build the checkout experience, and the beauty is we don't actually really have to build it. Squarespace has it in here. Okay, so when you add a digital product to your store, Squarespace automatically creates a product page with an add to cart button and a checkout flow that handles payment processing. Customers can go ahead and add items to their cart, enter their payment details, and complete the purchase using the supported payment methods such as credit cards or digital wallets, depending on how you set up your payment provider. After the transaction is complete, the system immediately sends the download link by email, which means the entire process from purchase to delivery happens automatically. So we'll go ahead and go to edit pages and go to our store. As you can see, we've got the 6-week Notion dashboard. It already created it for us. We did not have to do anything other than create that initial product. It created a product page. It also created a store homepage as well, where you can see all of your different services if you had multiple. The whole process so much easier. So in addition to selling one-time downloads, Squarespace also allows you to sell access to content through membership or subscriptions. So instead of selling a file that customers download once, memberships allow you to charge recurring payments for access to exclusive pages or resources on your website. For example, creators may use memberships to share premium tutorials, course content, or exclusive articles that only subscribers can access. Squarespace allows you to lock certain pages behind a paywall, so only members who are logged into their account can view them. This just makes it really easy to build communities, learning platforms, or subscription libraries using the same website where you sell other products. Now we've got marketing tools and analytics. Once your digital products are available, Squarespace includes several tools that help you promote them and understand how your store is performing. Built-in email marketing features allow you to send newsletters, announce new products, or create automated follow-up messages after someone joins your list. You can also collect email subscribers through sign-up forms and pop-ups that appear on your website. Squarespace also includes analytics dashboards that track important metrics such as, traffic sources, page views, and product sales. These insights are going to help you understand which products perform well and where visitors are coming from so you can adjust your marketing strategy over time. Okay, now that you understand how to get this set up in Squarespace and how easy it is, let's talk about some of the pros and cons so you can decide if Squarespace is for you. One of the biggest advantages of using Squarespace for digital products is how simple the platform is to set up and manage, because hosting, design, e-commerce tools, and checkout are all built into one system. You don't have to connect multiple services or manage complex integrations. The design templates are also polished and modern, which just makes it so much easier to build a professional looking store without hiring a developer. At the same time, there are some limitations to be aware of. Selling digital products requires a business or commerce plan, which costs more than basic website plans, and some plans do include transaction fees on each sale. So we're going to dive a little bit deeper into that in a second. Squarespace also focuses on simplicity, which means customization options for checkout and product layouts are somewhat limited compared to specialized e-commerce platforms. So Squarespace has a bunch of different options. You can go ahead and pay monthly or you can pay annually. I'm going to go over the annual plans because you can actually save 36%. So they've got the basic, the core, the plus, and the advanced. The basic plan is $16 per month paid annually, and you get to create a website, you get a free custom domain for a year, Squarespace AI, up to 2 contributors. You can accept payments, but the card rates are the highest and the online transaction fees are the highest. So as you can see right here, we've got 2% store and a 7% digital content and membership transaction fees. Okay, so that is on the higher side, but as you increase your plan, those do go down. You can sell products and services, send invoices, and then sell content and memberships. Then they've got the core plan, which is $23 per month, paid annually. With this, you get everything in the basic plan, but you get unlimited contributors, advanced analytics, and then the fees for payments do go down a bit. You've also got, sales funnel analytics and API integrations. Then they've got the plus plan, which is $39 per month, paid annually. You get everything in the core plan, but mainly the biggest thing is the payments do go down. Then you got the advanced plan, which is $99 per month, paid annually. And again, with this, you get everything in the plus plan, but again, the rates do decrease even again in their most advanced e-commerce tools. So again, you can choose the plan that best fits your needs, and you can also grow with it, which is really helpful. Now, is Squarespace for you? It can be a really great option for creators who want a really simple way to sell digital products directly from their own website without relying on marketplaces or complicated e-commerce setups. If you're selling things like ebooks, digital templates, music, art downloads, or educational resources, the platform provides such an easy way to host your content and deliver it. It also works really well for people who want to combine a blog, a portfolio, and an online store all in the same place. Really simple to navigate. However, if you plan to sell a very large catalog of products or need advanced customization options for your store, a more specialized e-commerce platform might offer a bit more flexibility for you. I know how overwhelming it can feel when you're trying to figure out how to sell digital products online because there are so many tools and platforms available. The good news is that once you understand the basic setup, selling downloads can be one of the simplest ways to start an online business. And Squarespace makes that super easy. So if you want to go ahead and check them out, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. You can save over 30% if you pay annually. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build, grow, and scale your e-commerce business with clear step-by-step tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.